walk it out and mountains. And I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. All we need is hope. And for that we have each other. And for that we have each other. And we will rise, and we'll rise. Oh, we'll rise. I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up in spite of the earth. I will rise 1,000 times again for you. For you. For you. For you.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
Jasmine. I mean, it felt very adult. It felt like you were in control and very, very composed. I thought that you sounded great. I loved how sweet it was throughout. I like that you didn't choose to power and scream, that you can rise and be sweet with your elevation, and you're going up to the sky and whatever else you want to go into outer space, because there's no limit on your life or your talent. I was impressed, and I think every week you show more and more of your personality, and I like that. So, good job.
Conroy.
It was sweet. It was very sweet from beginning to end. There are moments that you pulled us in, and, you know, it was just sweet.
Bugle.
Yeah, from the first note, I'm convinced, and I must say that is the strongest vocal I hear since night, and I love it.
All right, Anthony.
I know you're my wild card, but that was an emotionally charged song, and you were a little bit too detached from it. And that was the problem. You have so much working for you. You're striking. You're an interesting young lady, but you somehow are disconnected from the song that you happen to be performing.
Thanks, judges. Jasmine wants to rise to the top, and you are the only ones that can make sure that happens. Text the word VOTE to 444-5504 or call 444-5504. Thanks, Jasmine. Love that song.